Woo!
Oh, really? Yeah, it's pretty interesting how it looks. Wow.
You know, that chair always made noise.
Oh, dude, he's excited. Thanks for coming, bro.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
Oh, yeah.
For coming out.
Are you kidding me? I think this tiny.
We'll never go over that.
Yeah.
Right through that.
Yeah.
That is, dude. It's just hitting the.
Yeah, don't worry about the little pops and stuff.
Let's see the board.
There you go, Seth. Check this out.
Just
Did he do this?
He did.
I thought so.
Notice how everybody's giving you stuff to go over now, right?
I haven't seen Seth smile like this in I don't know how long. This is so awesome.
You couldn't come back here before.
No, he's never been back here.
What about the
see
beach?
that you're gonna need to make here pretty quick is a roll
The beach will be a problem. The
is that
sand, yeah, the sand.
heavy?
Yeah, well, if you get them on wet sand, he's all right.
Oh, wet.
Yeah, wet sand
would
will be
work
fine.
great. Soft sand,
No,
he wouldn't be able to turn. I think he'd go forward.
it'll dig in soft sand in a heartbeat.
Probably would
In a
dig in.
heartbeat, it'll be dust.
But your golf course is where you disc golf?
Yeah, he could totally
Just
come
go
in.
right over that crap now, Seth. Remember I was telling you the wheel in the middle?
Yeah,
That's
I saw it last
oh,
time.
Oh, the back wheel's dragging
if
it.
we had the big back wheels, it wouldn't do that. Dan's already got what wheels we're gonna put on the
Yeah.
back.
Trying, Seth. It's trying.
Go ahead. No.
Hang on,
Let's just pull this thing out. Let's just pull that out.
He tries putting in the backyard.
What are you doing? Wow. Yay!
That never would happen in your
That's insane.
Never even close, dude.
There it is, dude. You're in sand.
Oh my God.
That was loose. You know, I thought it had to be more.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that crap, the dirt. I'm so stoked.
Somebody came over and showed us what it could do, man. That's too cool, bro. You gave me my highest payment of the year.
Right? Yeah, there's nothing like
Yeah,
this,
it really
man.
is.
This is just,
Take all the money in the world.
this is better than a shower or a shower chair or
It's freedom, man.
awesome.
Freaking freedom.
And so we have a
You go anywhere you want now. Oh, wow. Pretty cool. You go a lot more places now.
another assembly in there.
Oh, dude. Well, after going through that pit over there, sand, yeah, I pretty much guarantee you can. I've been on the whole golf course with them. Pretty sure there ain't nothing you can't go on. Well, you definitely put her through her paces. That's good, man. We needed to see what was up.